Hello my friends, I just wanted to share a quick video how I create my ceramic candles with my branded stickers. I use special eco-friendly stickers that burn clean beautifully and with the highest quality. There is how I do it. I place my water transfer sticker on the candle, let it dry completely, seal it with a candle lacquer for a glossy finish. If you'd like to see more behind the scenes tip, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and follow me on Instagram, La Candela La. I'd love to have you there. Keep on shining.